On the phone line at sunrise, tiny mouths to the morning. They tilt their heads at my window like they're telling me a story. What do the birds sing when I can't hear a thing inside my head? Are they calling me back, back to the day I almost left? What do the birds sing? I wanna learn that language under my close on the railing, little heartbeat, whole sky. I spill coffee on the notebook, it just laughs and takes flight. What do the birds sing when I can't hear a thing inside my head? Are they calling me back, back to the day I almost left? Maybe it's you're still here. Maybe it's drop that fear. Maybe it's breathe right now. Nothing deep at all, just sound that says you're allowed.